Good morning. It's sunrise hour, and there's a huge hawk or owl here in our neighborhood. You can see him up there. He's glowing from the sunrise sunshine. There he is. I was just putting some goodies out here, and I looked over and I saw him. I was like, whoa, I couldn't believe my eyes. I was like, look at him. It's a huge bird. Sometimes we see some big birds like this in our neighborhood. It's either a hawk or an owl. There's been more hawks around, but it could be an owl too. I'm not 100% sure. A lot of other birds around this morning too. That was so neat though. There he is. I hear the red cardinals. There's been some more blue jays visiting lately too. I think he's looking right down at us over here. Hey there. It's an awesome start to the day with some nature. Sunrise sky. There's the hawk right there, or owl. I'm going to zoom in on him again. He's just glowing. It's like he's keeping warm in that sunlight. That winter sun is very warm when you're right in direct beams of it. It's really warm. He's looking around. Pretty cool. Didn't expect to see him up there today. In the sky glowing over there. That's where the sun's coming up. I was over here, and then that's when I spotted the big bird over here in the tree. Beautiful nature. Been loving coming outside, some nature walks, and sharing my adventures with everybody. Thanks for all your wonderful comments and joining me on my adventures. This is awesome. A lot of happy birds out today. Deep in the bird sanctuary in our yard. Hope everybody has a beautiful day.